Hello everyone，我唔客氣啦。OK，this is the beef grill with sesame seed oil and then over on rice wasabi. Okay，and also this is like the 大盤炒米 also like the 大盤炒米 OK，also the fried rice noodle with the um, wise was a okay, something like that, something like just what I want. Okay, was a melly. 大盘炒米 or you can say 大盤炒米 is good too. Okay, the pinyin is good too. Okay, both delicious. Okay, this this rice noodle is very good, but I also like the 小川越南餐。遲後一定要請阿姨食翻越南餐。阿姨有時候好肚餓就喺雪中痛嘆喺度送個蘋果俾我，或者送個俾其他 staff 啲細路仔不嬲都 serve 佢哋噶啦。阿姨係好有心啊。咁遲下要請阿姨食翻個越南餐或者1號或者火車頭俾阿姨先啊。同埋咁我都係個個都係要因為小弟今日好忙，有時以前應承咗啲細路仔有啲想買啲更加啲school supply stuff for the children 都冇機會，因為忙啊，翻到屋企要沖個涼就瞓覺或者着 training 咁就有時翻工都冇時間去。翻工之前都冇時間去買嘢，有冇嘢？咁淨係 lunch break 嗰時候，淨可以好快咁食咗嘢就翻工，咁都好 busy，好 schedule 好充實係嘛？咁希望大家體諒啊。All the student not because Mr. Lee is cheap no or stingy no no in the future I will share okay because once I promise something to you. Either one way or another, I will bring it to you. Okay, so and I remember one kid left early. I gave him some school supply, and I thought about giving him some of the other things here. But the thing is, I want to make sure I do things right. I get permission before I do it. It's not because the gift itself is nothing to me. It is more like I want to do the right way. So, and also like anything. So, want to shout out. I am not a stingy person. I'm not a cheap person. My heart of giving is always bigger than my ability to give. And also, when I give, I have joy too. So, but at the same time, I want to make sure I do the right way when I give. So,我都要用翻我喺主裏邊嘅良心去做每一件事情，咁係啦。咁同埋唔係話我唔想 share 其他人，我真係有時候我又唔係多錢，咁我淨係可以 share 到某啲人，咁有啲人落俾嗰時候，因為我比較有時候人始終都係你會。邊個錫你，你就錫你就同佢一樣，係 treat others as you want treated. Okay, people who treat you nice all the time, you want them to buy them stuff to drink or eat or share with them. Just it's natural for human being to do that, right? So 咁有時候我有時候我都好 even 嘅，我個個都係 treated equal。咁我都係有時候有啲人唔識我都會俾㗎，咁但係我未有機會俾晒所有，因為小弟係而家仲係好忙，所以就未有機會去買。有時自己食都未有時間啊！我今日去食咗 lunch break 咧，喺 Outram 咧，好快速好似10幾分鐘食㗎。但我有時出去食好快就翻去做工，因為我想do our best at the last week or two. So 我希望可以我哋個老師都咁勤力，咁我哋希望大家去做更加好，係啦。啲細路仔咧唔好覺得 我唔係唔買啊，係因為有時候我真係唔係唔係唔係唔係好多錢啊嘛，咁我就有時候有錢，但係雖然我頭先有時講話要同你數嘅時候，我講嘅係10幾20年儲嘅積蓄，梗係唔止話咩啦，咁但係就係我講嘅係事實，咁我係叫人哋去保守地去投資，OK，我唔係話去買啲風險高嗰啲，我唔係嗰種咯，我係都係腳踏實地去賺錢嘅，係有血有係點啊？Honey 點講啊？每個錢都係有血有肉嘅，OK，咁啲血唔係話即係唔係話即係咁樣流血咁樣，即係 hard work the money that I earn by God's grace God's given salary to me is by God's grace or is everything is like you work hard for it. I don't just I don't take it for granted every time like I want to do so much because like sometimes I also want to sometimes I do it to other friends too. I say I pay the meal in the restaurant. I just ask the people to go there eat. Okay, so just you pay the meal first, and then you invite the people to just go in. Hey, help yourself. The meal is already paid for, you know. So 我其實好想同某啲人，我哋公司裏邊有啲人，如果第日有機會放假食完啦，做晒工啦，做晒嘢 ，everything's finished。I want to 同佢哋一齊食餐飯啊，you know，即係冇所謂邊個請冇所謂，OK，我請都冇所謂，但係食餐飯啫，食餐大家一齊食餐喺出邊食一餐，咁係乜嘢都冇唔使講噶啦，淨係食嘢啫 ，OK， 即係好似而家咁樣，我而家食嘢。其實咩都唔使講噶啦 ，OK， 食下嘢啫 ，OK。我希望你可以做到呢樣嘢，同埋呢排忙，所以唔係話唔想同人交流嚇，係因為真係忙啊，真係忙，所以為咗要 committed to work，咁我 do my best 去做好我自己嘅本分，因為有好多好榜樣我可以學到，有啲好多好老師嘅，有時候佢哋都係做到好多嘢。咁我係學習咯，係邊個好嘅我就學邊個，OK，咁係啦。